All right, so since we finished working with the categories, I think it's time to actually go ahead and work with the profile page, that one right here. All right, and we're also gonna view a couple of pages. Also, we're gonna allow the user to view his applications, to the jobs, and we can allow him to simply just go ahead and update his own data. All right, so yeah, so let's go ahead and actually link a page right here at this drop down menu. So we should actually go to resources. Let's close every and each one of those. Let's go to resources, for example, and if we just go to views, and if we go to layouts, if we go to app right here. All right, so let's just go ahead. All right, so there is, we don't want this profile right here. So we want to just go to the drop down menu. Yeah, so right after, yeah, so we want to work with this div. So let's just copy this anchor right here and paste. So this right here should be profile. All right, so right, I don't want this on click, so we can just delete this. All right, so for the route right here, so we're gonna go ahead and just go profile. All right, so let's actually just save this whole thing. And let's just go ahead and copy this, and let's go to the routes. Let's go to web. Right here, let's paste this down here. I want to go ahead right over here, and I want to copy this one because it's going to be similar. So let's actually cut this. Let's just go profile right here. So this will be something like users / profile, and we're going to add in the ID. All right, so it actually just go ahead right here. Should we add the ID, or should we actually do it like dynamically? All right, so let's actually do it dynamically. All right, so let's remove the ID. We're not gonna do it with the parameter. So for this one right over here, I want to create a new controller. So let's just go to the controller. If we go to HTTP and if we go to controllers, let's create a controller, and we will call it like users or something. All right, so let me just go right here. All right, so this will be users controller, and this right here will be users, like that. All right, so we're creating a new folder, and inside it we have the users category. All right, so let's actually finish this part first. So this will be users, and this will be users category. All right, and we're just gonna go right here, and we'll keep this single user. All right, and this will be something like profile like this. Let's actually keep this profile. All right, so great. Let's save. Let's copy this, and let's go right here, and we can just go public function right here, and we can just name this so it will actually be profile. All right, so right after this, we want to go ahead and go profile, and let's go right here, and we're gonna grab the user's model. We go to the models right here. You can see that we have this right here. So we will just go to app models, and we will just go to user right away. All right, so let's just copy this and paste. All right, so right after this, so we're just gonna go find, and we're gonna find auth. user, and we're just gonna grab the ID. All right, so after we grab the ID, I want to just go return view right here. So I want to go to users dot pro file right here, and I want to go ahead and just go compact, and I want to send the pro file right here. All right, so just save. Let's copy this right here, and let's go and create the view. So let me just go ahead and create this folder. So this will be users. All right, so if we go to users right here, let's create a file and just give this profile.blade.php. All right, so as you can see, let's now go to our design, and let's go to the folder, let's go to the profile right here, and we will just go ahead and start grabbing this whole thing. We will just grab this whole section. Let's paste this section right here. We go to any one of those folders. If we go to the single right here, let's copy those, and let's just go right here. Let's paste, and we just go right here and section. All right, so yeah, let's save. All right, so if we just click on this, as you can see, we have the profile right here. Let's actually keep the profile before the logout link. All right, so there we go. Let's just save. All right, so if we just click on profile right here, all right, so class auth not found. All right, so it's not finding the class auth in the user's controller, so we should go use auth like that. All right, so just save, refresh. All right, so as you can see, the design is messed up a little, but it's actually grabbing the page, which is the most important thing. So let's just go right here, and I want to add, we go to single, I want to add my right here first. All right, so I want to also go right here, and I want to go asset. I want to go assets right here slash, and I want to go cut this and paste. All right, so just save. Should actually refresh. All right, so as you can see, it's looking a little better, I would say. Now what we need to get done next is just show the data right here dynamically. So let's go right here, and let's just go user. Did we send the data? Yeah, so the data is profile, not user. So name like this. All right, so just save. All right, so as you can see right over here, so we need actually some kind of photo also for the user. If we just go to the users table, do we have an image for this guy? We did not even create an image column. So if we go to the structure, we're going to create an image column. So where do you think that we should place it? I think it will be better if we keep it like after password, So if we just go after password, and we're going to add only column. So this will be image like this, and it will be a varchar 200 right here. And I wanna actually go ahead to my pics folder. All right, so we're just gonna name this pic.gpt, and I wanna copy this, and I wanna go to my project. We go to htdocs, and if we go, let's see, to the job board right here, and I want to go to the public, the assets, and I want to create folder right here. I want to name this images underscore users, something like this, and we will just paste this photo in here. So let me just copy this. So we're going to make the default value for this as defined, so we can actually define this, so we can grab it from there. You know, again, we cannot leave this empty or nullable, or sorry, we cannot allow like empty data in this column, or it will just blow up. It will blow up with errors. All right, so or simply just the photo, so we can actually display it. So there is the photo, you know. So if we just go right here, asset right now, and if we go to assets slash images underscore user right here, so we can just go ahead right here. But actually we need to concatenate. All right, so this will be profile image like this. All right, so let's grab the rest of the data. This will be job underscore title, and right after this we have the bio. All right, so let me delete those. This is simply just bio like this. And these are just the social media, you know. So we should go right here, and also copy this. So this is simply just Facebook. All right, so let's also paste it right here and right here. So this is Twitter, and this is LinkedIn. Let's save. So this should be refreshed right now. All right, so here we go. There is the name, the image, the bio, or the job title, and the bio right here. And simply we will create, a page later on. So this guy can simply just update his own data. All right, so he cannot leave it like this. I think that it will be also a good idea to like keep a button, or create a button right here, or write a button that will actually allow this guy to download his CV, or anybody can just go ahead and download his CV. All right, so this will actually be just a good idea. So where do you think that we should place it? We should place it like, I would say under the title. So I want to just grab a button. Where do you think that we have buttons right here? We have like a button in the, if we go to the home. All right, so we have a couple. We just go to search. We just go to the home right here, and if we go to search, all right, so search job. All right, so there is actually a button right here. Actually, I want an anchor, an anchor as a button. So if we just go right over here, we just go like this. All right. So what's going on exactly? All right. So there we go. I think that we need to copy this class, and let's go right here. Let's close this. Under the title, let's go right here, a class. All right, so sounds great. Let's just go download CV. Let's close this up like that. So this will not be warning. This will be something like success, you know. Let's save this. So let's see what's gonna happen. Well, we need to go right now to the profile. All right, so as you can see right over here, you can customize this however that you like, you know. I'm not gonna like do too much work with it. I can just remove this, and I can go right here, text, white, save. All right, so that sounds better to me now. So actually, in order to actually go ahead and allow this guy or anybody, you know, who's accessing this page, because this is a public profile page, to, you know, download this CV right here, we can just go href, something like this, and we can just grab this asset, and we can just go right here and paste this in. So this will just go to CVs, and we will just grab the CV of this guy. If you look right here at the assets, we have this CVs folder, and we have this resume right here. So yeah, let's refresh this. So once we click on this right here, all right, so we will be able to go ahead to this right here, and we can just go ahead and download this CV, for example. All right, so yeah, there we go. Now we can just download this. So yeah, this will be all, and I will see you in the next one.